The journey is not going to be easy, my brothers and sisters.
Akwaba, what frame Adjoa searching Mesrel. Now was subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news. Everything for last week Saturday, 7th December, and a Ghana free now. You call making yen dissection. Now, after the dissection, Ghana for Bibri na say. His Excellency, the former president, Oman Penny, John Dramani Mahama, and on Sanso Mbedi Ghana so. Intino, Sisi Oman Penda da Mahama, the now elect president, Ghana. Now, after the elections, His Excellency, John Dramani Mahama, the ni speech, abetuja. In fact, His Excellency, ni speech, no the betuja, no. It tells a lot. Personally, I'm an amakuma bafin because in some Oman Penny, John Dramani Mahama Akano, Ghana Bede, Ghana Bear say America, we say America, Ghana Bear say America. Intino me, my edin, me shadi. Na ebusia for what won't share His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni speech ni bino. Mestro se copy speech ni bi starting from the beginning, not ya copy the end. Oye Ghanaian, I hope say wakuma beto ye. Na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne kasemo no. Waka sapa. O say Ghana fo ewo high expectation ewo NDC fo mti no omodi omo aba no. Into His Excellency say onipa bia obeyiw either being DC a friend is a minister whatever obeyiw ni make sure say arrogance, selfishness, no, ebeba fame. We won't do other MPP for MPP for crowd on His Excellency in his speech, not the man. In fact, I am beginning to like him. Now, asemba kwa kaya Ghana for she gunesu anya sem kwetose. Eye current administration way, omwa Ghana efe papa. Entino bana obane de humba den kakra na Ghana for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oboa. Papa Ghana for sa boa wanka. His Excellency, me, I didn't vote for you. Me nye NDC ni. Sorry, me nye NPP ni, me nye NDC ni. But me share or abanya I bet me a develop Ghana na betomano. I didn't vote for you, but you are my president now. Bibi no meeting me. But in fact, the truth be told, ma pewasem. After listening to speech na omano, ma pewasem pa. But said back where I can His Excellency Ghana for some boa. Said then NPP for boka intibana obanenye easy. His Excellency, don't forget, say you have been president before. Or your former president and I was Sanswaba. It's not because Ghana for yenya brings ye how in a big goose. You are a human being. Ubeting a mistake at any time. But His Excellency, who mistake second time when you're into because you have been president before. What caught in a fear for 8 good years. What to one yama when who mistake away and one who mistake a NPP are buying race why I believe so by perfect. Because any pebiano on my first chance no way one or second chance. No way one thing and financial third time ne day His Excellency say we baby who speech in our money jina so afa kwa wie so 4 years ne be kwa wie yempe NPP aban no asen yamenti hardship His Excellency ye power with all due respect obuwa because Ghana for believe in you and omo ato abana ma in fact sa humiliation we be see then people from when me guase ankasa mo yade Ghana for kan nyani mu bi yetimi frɛ pani bi ye information dia yade was what feel arrogance selfishness me na me MP me na me minister me na me wa bem me na me wasro ho se mo ade wani so mo ade mo ani so na mo mbɔ pai ne nyame nyem wadom na mo san so bra power bi o ehona mo be hu de mo betoto mo ne afa na His Excellency ne nsema wa kan Ghana fo bi ama ne reply a mo eche se papa oboa Obo, me kura me se papa oboa me ameti me se papa oboa because His Excellency ye be ma pressure papa de mu odin pressure ne de be ma room panka wan bakra His Excellency mu yanka wan ba because it's not about NPP, it's not about NDC, it's about Ghana. Inti niya mapa His Excellency na adon kwakufu ado aba be no make sure say na papa oba no betua so edu free SHS no obe complete what promises all the tertiary beka ho all the private schools beka ho 24-hour economy what promise never be brave. We are just waiting for your promises so we deliver. But as speech back up ya kan the Ghana force o bo and me repeat me kwa me kan me so boa. Enyo be ya fight papa because munim His Excellency, you knew it already say Ghana abofem Ghana collapse. Mo na mo kan e na mo apraba beje. Inti sa speech we fi hin. Yenti nsema His Excellency kan Ghana fo bi so man reply.
The journey is not going to be easy, my brothers and sisters, because the outgoing government has plunged our dear nation into an abyss. However, we are determined to work together with you to build the Ghana we want. And I am certain that we shall win the battle.
Hey, Yenti reply Ghana fo bi so e de emane. Anyway, Amma Brown, and I will say, this is not an excuse. He is telling us the situation on ground. Some of you hate the truth. Sana Walker, we akwesi, and I will say, an excuse not to perform. Okay, and I will so Rahel, and I will say, you knew this, yet you contested and made huge promise. And anyway, so she said, hey, and people will regret not going out to vote. Hey, anyway, so Marcus and Oche say you were voted massively because they believe in you, they believe you can do it. Why excuses? Anyway, so Oche said the excuse begin. Good luck, fellow Ghanaians. And ye know, anyway, so say Jemfi and Oche say John Dada Noah. Anyway, so she said, boss, we know. Okay. Mama asma. Other way so run out say every term same statement. Okay. And when so when it is coming, it is doing. Into comment being that say His Excellency, you the chance now. Chance in your dear mouth. Be ye de ubetimi. But so be catch and say NPP for kono. Papa Oboa. Miss Oboa. His Excellency Oboa. Because yet tikro me han yenim ne mo aye munim so man ni mo aye den adenti na mo apresa mo ba se mo wo solution na mo de benti na mo aba so o ma penny o speech na one man na e perfect but this particular one no you can't tell us this Papa Oboa with all due respect ye ma good luck ye mpese Ghana bebo ti ye ma good luck ye shade hey that's how be yase wo Ghana yen. And this for watch out in the eba. And something like Ghana for Ede Alba His Excellency the President-elect John Dramani Mahama.